Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure the headphones have charge and your Android is updated. This prevents dropouts and pairing failures. Power the Bose QuietComfort 35 Roman 2 on, slide the power switch to the Bluetooth icon, and hold it until the voice prompt says pairing. Once done, open Settings on your Android and tap Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on, visible, and scanning. This ensures the phone will detect the headset immediately, rather than searching repeatedly. You will now initiate pairing from the phone. In Bluetooth settings, choose Pair New Device or Scan. Android lists nearby devices. Select Bose QC35 Roman 2 when it appears. If a PIN prompt appears, enter 0000 or accept the default. Usually no code is needed. Once connected, the status will change to Connected for audio and media. Make sure to grant any location or permission requests, because newer Android versions require them for Bluetooth scanning to work reliably. You finish by verifying audio routing. Tap the Bose entry in Bluetooth settings and enable media audio so music uses the headset. If audio stutters or the device won't connect, power off and then reset the headphones by holding the power button for about 10 seconds until you hear a tone, then retry pairing. If problems continue, reboot your Android and clear Bluetooth cache and app settings. This removes stale data and usually resolves persistent pairing conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.